welcome back to Googie's Kitchen, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis, and during the month of December, to help you out with the festive season, I'm going to be posting 4 times a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love recipe videos like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how to make my delicious vegan broccoli and cheese soup. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make my delicious vegan broccoli and cheese soup. Now this recipe is really easy to make, and I'm going to be having this one for my lunch today because it is that simple. It doesn't take much thought either or much process. And I thought this would also be a great one for the festive season as well. If you've got any vegans or vegetarians coming, then this will be a delicious soup to serve, maybe for a main or something to have for tea later on in the evening. As I said, I'm going to be having this for my lunch today, and of course while I was making it I thought I'd share the recipe with you. So here is how to make my delicious vegan broccoli and cheese soup. For this recipe you will need oat milk, and I have about 800 ml, so I'm making this soup as if it serves 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour my oat milk into my food processor like so. And then I'm also going to add some cannellini beans. These are dried beans that I've cooked as per the packet instructions, but you can use tinned beans if you want to. If you're making it for 2, I would use 1 tin. So I'm just going to put those into my food processor. And then I also have some broccoli as well. So as with the beans, I've cooked the broccoli already, so I just boiled it for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to put that in. You can leave a bit of the broccoli if you want something to crunch on or munch on while you're having your soup. So yeah, you can leave a few bits, but I'm not going to. I like to throw it all in, to be honest. And then I'm also going to add some cashew nut cream cheese. Now this is homemade cashew nut cream cheese, and the recipe for this I will link in the description box below for you. I've done a video on this as well, so we'll link that down below. It's really easy to make, and yeah, it doesn't take much time at all. But of course you can buy vegan cheese if you want to add vegan cheese to this. Or you could use cream cheese as well. If you have a vegetarian coming, then you could just use a bit of cream cheese. And then I'm just going to add a pinch of salt to add extra flavour. And I'm also going to add a bit of pepper as well. So a little bit of pepper, not too much. And then I have some nutritional yeast to add to this. Nutritional yeast is a plant that tastes like cheese. Don't ask me how it grows, I don't know which plant it comes from either, but it's absolutely delicious, and it smells just like cheese as well, and it tastes like cheese, but it doesn't melt like cheese, that's the only thing. But in soups like this it's perfect. So I'm just going to add a couple of tablespoons of that, and I've already added some of this to the cashew nut cream cheese as well. So this is going to taste extra cheesy, hopefully. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend all of these ingredients together. I've blended the soup until it is smooth, so it looks like this now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this over to my hob and heat it up, and then I'll bring it back and try some for you. I'll warm the soup through for about 3 to 5 minutes, so it's nice and warm now, and I'm just going to add a little bit to the bowl, and I'm just going to try some. It smells really good. And it tastes really good too. You can really taste the broccoli, and there's a certain creamy cheesiness from the cashew nut cream cheese as well. It's really nice. It's like blended up cauliflower cheese. If you like cauliflower cheese, then I'm sure you're going to love this. That's how you make my delicious vegan broccoli and cheese soup, and that recipe I will link in the description box below for you. As I mentioned earlier, I'm off to have this for my lunch now and I'm really looking forward to it. As always, it smells and tastes so good, I can't wait to eat it. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.